Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if just battery drain on your iOS 14.7 very fast, so how you can fix it? So first thing you can try, just open the settings, and in the settings just find here screen time and just turn off screen time. So if you turn it on, just turn off screen time. So another thing you can try also to go to the cellular data or mobile data and just find what apps are using your cellular data, and maybe you don't need to use cellular data on these apps because it takes a lot of your battery. So just find here this thing. Also you can try to go to the general. In the general you will see here background app refresh, and here you can also just turn it off, this option. It will it makes your iPhone works longer on your battery. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.